Okay guys, I got another package today. I noticed that I was going to try to film the unboxings at the end of the month, but I'm just impatient. So, I know what this is. This is another thing off of Macari. And I need to be really, really careful. As you guys can see, it is the ring stamp for Jimin. I still need to get the Taeyeon and Sugar and JK's. And they were on Macari as well. And it says, on the description it says they're official, so I really hope they are, because it said they are. Whoa, they want me to do that. And I should also have some other stuff in here, like one more thing I think. I'm trying to do this without like damaging anything. Oh, we got some freebies. Look at that. Can you guys even see that? There you go. This was supposed to come on Wednesday, but it arrived late, so it came today on Friday. Because tracking on Wednesday said it was arriving, and then it said in transit, arriving late, and then it came today. Alright, so this is how she packaged it, which is still really cute. There you go. Let's look at our freebies first. I don't remember what else I packaged. Thank you so much for purchasing. Hope you stay safe and healthy, Jane. And, yeah. So, let's see what kind of freebies we got. I'm actually, not feeling that great, but I still want to open it because I'm still impatient. Even though I don't feel the best, I have a hurting tooth right now. But I am going to the dentist today at 4 o'clock, so hopefully they can give me some medicine. I can't get the sticker out right now, but here's a cute sticker. And we got this Yoongi freebie. And this Jimin freebie. Look at them, they're so beautiful. And this is the Jimin stamps set from Wings Tour. I will not be using these, but this is for my collection. I still need to get Jungkook's Circles and V's. I'm not gonna take it out of the thing. I'm gonna keep it protected, but yes, they look so good. Just look at him, how handsome he is. Woo. And we have this big thing. I don't really remember what this is, to be honest. Oh yeah, this is the, I forgot. This was a set, I got it as a set. This is the Jimin Rings file folder thing. Like that, and just look how cute it is. Really cute. Look at how mochi cute he is. He's so precious, he needs to be protected. This, I love this. As well as you need to get this with, you know, Jungkook, Suga, and V as well. To complete these sets. So hopefully they won't be so hard. And this is a good deal too. I found a lot of stuff on Macari for a good deal. And they all say it's official, so I'm really hoping it is. And then on the bag it says Jimin. And as you guys know, that's basically like the rings symbol thing. And this looks really cute. I like the background color too with this as well. And then rings as well. Love this. So basically have Jimin's set, and to see if there's anything I'm missing from rings besides the photo cards. Don't know if that's gonna be easy to collect or not. I have, I think, a few of them coming. I know I have one of the JKs coming. I need to find some of Jimin's, but yes. This is what I got today. They're so cute. Just look at them. Ooh. Okay, you guys, so let me take my mask off. So I'm on break. And I got some packages today. We got 1, 2, 3 packages to open today. And some of this, one of these I know what it is because I looked on my phone notifications, and one of my Makai packages got delivered today. This is some Bring the Soul postcards, so I know that should be in here too. And I don't know what else I ordered. That should be here today. Okay, so we got this package. Look at how cute this is. Hi Angel, thank you for purchasing these for me and giving Yoongi and Taehyung a little new home. Also, it was really nice talking to you. Please let me know when they arrive to you. Stay safe and yes, keep in contact. Oh, look at the cute tape. And gave me some freebies. Okay, so from Kelsey, I ordered Taehyung's Samsung PCs and then Yoongi's as well. Yeah, so I'm almost done with this set. Almost, not quite there yet. Look how cute these look. So I got all of Taehyung's now. Need to finish Yoongi's and I think finish Jimin and JK's because I don't have all of them yet. And then she gave me trying to get to it, a cute, hold up. I'm hoping my credit, but it may not be in here. But I was hoping my credit card protector would be in here because you can go on Susu covers, that's what it's called, and create a credit card cover, and I did that. And I did one of the BTS Dynamite photos, so I'm excited for that to come in. It's a little extra, I know, but yeah. And it was like only $8. So I'm waiting on that to come in now, so you guys that. And it comes in. So he gave me this cute JK freebie. Look at Cookie. And then look at this holographic shiny Jimin PC that she, I guess, made. It's so cute and amazing. And then it's Jimin. Oh my god, look at him. Oh my god. Well, I'm not gonna do that. Love you, Kels. I love talking to her. Okay, so that can go there. Then we have this package to open as well. Don't know what this could be, but we'll see. Everything, and it came like this. So, not sure what this could be. Okay. This is something I got off of eBay. This is I ordered JK's 5G, was it 5G? Postcard. So I still need to get Jimin's and V's and the reunit one. And then I have that set complete. And this is from Fifth Mustard as well. Whoa. Okay. Difficulty going on here. Okay, he looks like this. And he looks really cute. And since I know that the last package of the right package is the, what was it, Bring the Soul postcards, and it was the full set. So we have this now. Let's look how cute he is, and this is the back, the U Plus and 5G. We're almost done completing the set. Almost, just not quite yet. Okay, this is all trash. We got a JK freebie. Look at how handsome he is. There's the back. Alright, just gonna throw this stuff on the floor so I can throw it away. Okay, this set. I'm just dropping everything. Okay, this set should be the I think it was Bring the Soul postcards. And I got the whole set for a pretty amazing price, and I mean amazing, from Macquarie. So, whoa, okay. I'm trying to open this without hitting anything. Still did not get into it. Okay, yeah. Whoa! Did not mean to do that. Oh, look at how they packaged it. So nice. And this is, I think, Young Forever. Was it Young Forever? I think so. Tape. I don't want to ruin it. Okay, and this is what the tape looks like, just to show you guys. Then I'm gonna put it on the package for now. Okay. Everything's falling. Oh my goodness. Got some really cute freebies, you guys. Okay, so she gave me JK's 2019 season greetings post-its. Look at him, he's so cute. Thank you. And then one of JK's BTS postcards. I do want to complete these sets, definitely, because I love these. So thank you for starting my collection of this. Thank you so much. Look how beautiful he is. And in here it is Bring the Soul. Okay, right here it says Bring the Soul docu-series. And I guess this is what the postcards originally came in, I'm assuming. And we have the whole set, by the way. We have Taeyong, and here's the back. Namjoon. The back again. Jin. Hobie. I honestly was not going to complete this whole set, but because it was such an amazing price, I went ahead and did it anyway. Jimin. Yoongi. And then JK. I just noticed his is like the only brightest one besides these two, I guess, because the JK is like the most brightest. You guys noticed from that set. Okay, so I'm gonna try to set everything out and show you guys what we got today. I'm even going to keep this just because I don't even know if this is the original packaging, but it's still so precious and so cute. Definitely gonna keep the sticker at least, but I'm gonna look it up, try to watch some unboxing videos, and save to the how it comes. I'm a hoarder. Okay. Okay, so this is everything we got today. So yeah, how amazing it is. So we got a package today, and I think I know what this one is. I think it is something from Journey, I believe. I'm pretty sure this is what it should be. Could be wrong, but we'll see. If it's not, then it's something from Rings. Okay. Okay. It's nice and protected. I like that. I always feel like I used my X-Acto knife wrong. Or cutter wrong, whatever you want to call it. Let's find out what it is together, because I read quite a bit of stuff. Okay, yeah, it is not, yeah, okay. Yeah, this is not Journey. This is Rings and Samsung stuff. Okay, I was completely wrong. Angel, thank you so much for participating for me again. I hope Jungkook makes it to you safely. Take care, Jane. She gave me some really cute freebies, a sticker of Kim Taeyong, and then from Maverick Soul 7. That is really cute. Thank you for the cute freebies. And this was a bundle, and it was just cheaper to get it as a bundle. So this is extra because I already have his lenticular, but that's okay. We'll trade it or sell it. And then I have Jungkook's Wings stamp set now. Now we just need Sugar and Taeyong's, and then we'll have that set complete. Just look at him. He, in this era, he had to have been at least like 19 or 20 maybe. 19, 20, or 21. Because he is my age. And I'm 23. So, yes. Well, we're both 23 now, but yeah. So in this, he had to have been at least, you know, I think at least 19 or 20 at most. I'm pretty sure he's not 21 here yet, so. But look at how handsome he looks, you guys. And I love his little mole under his lip. He's so cute. I love these stamp sets, even though I'll never use them. But, they're so cute. So. Oh, no. Alright. This is Aww. This is everything we got today. Thank you, Jane. These are so cute. Thank you, lovely. Okay, guys, so we got a package today. My glasses. And this would be some chill thing bottles, but they're empty. And that's a little extra. But I really wanted them in my collection, in my BTS collection. So I found some from Macari. I only have Jimin and Jungkook though. I still need to get Suga and Taeyong. But at least this is what it should be. But yeah. And then I should have one of the chill thing Photocards coming in the mail soon. It has shipped already. And then I need to get the rest of them. It's just kind of hard finding a good deal because some of them are expensive. Because I found some stuff as sets. But like, I don't want to pay so much. So I'm just keep looking until I find either a good deal on a set or yeah. Oh, it gave me some freebies. So cute. look at this. Just look at it. And this week, my Brahma set and my ice cream block set should be shipping. Aw, this is cute and glittery. The 7, oh no. I want to say these are either stickers or tattoos. It's cute. Aww. With the signatures on it. So cute. Okay, so we're gonna have to use my bigger knife to open this one. And this is what it looks like in the packaging. Here is Jimin's, and JK's. And these are the Chilsung cider bottles that I've gotten today. See, your name says BTS Jungkook. And then there's Chilsung cider. So there's the lid. And this is what JK's look like. Recently get Sugar and Tay Tay. But here's Jimin's. Here says BTS Jimin on it. These are so cute. So, excited to have these in my collection. Just to have them as display, of course, but it's a little extra to go looking for these, but that's just how I am. I'm a little extra with my collection. I like every little thing most of the time. So, yes, these are actually really cute. Okay, go to the next clip now. Okay, so I found something else that I needed to open that my grandma forgot to tell me about that I got in the mail yesterday. And this is my credit card cover. It's a little extra, yes. But, yes, this is from CCU Covers and it's really cheap. It was like $8, but I don't know if that was like the actual total or just for the cover itself. So, it comes like this. This is what it looks like. Love your design. Take a picture and tag us it to be featured. Yeah. So this is the picture from Dynamite that I chose. And that there's where you take off the squared. So, what is it? Okay. So we have a package in. This is probably going to be the end of this like haul unboxing video because it's probably already really long, and plus I'm trying to keep it all like once a month type thing, and it's already almost the end of September. And this should be my Taeyoung Johnny changing jacket because I recognize the name on here. I'm just trying to figure out how to open it without getting into anything. Whoa, sorry you guys. It's because some of my stuff I don't think will be here, but I don't know when my other stuff that I'm waiting on will be here. So this may be the end of this video and it may not be. We'll find out. Why did it do that? But okay. Here we go, you guys. This is my Tay Journey Journey changing jacket. So now we have his. Now we just need to get Jimin's, Suga's, and JK's. This is the only Journey thing I have besides the Yoongi, what's it? I don't remember what resin that was, but the other big one that you can get. Well, you guys, this is not easy. Oh, there's some freebies. That's cute. It's kind of hard when you don't have actual, like, when I can't use my actual nails, but. Oh, I missed a piece of the. Okay. Easy. Okay. Oh, no. I thought it was thinning it. Thank you so much for buying for me. I hope Kate got to you safely. Please let me know once she arrives. Take care and have a wonderful day. This is so cute, and that's her at. But I got her. I bought it off of a Facebook group. Well, look at these freebies. Look at these. And I believe this is from Boy of Love. Yeah, I think. And this is Tay, and that's the BTS logo, and then it says V. Oh, that is cute. That just says it on the back. Thank you for the freebies. And this is the map of the Soul 7 Journey, changing jacket, and it looks like this. This is only the second thing I have for Journey. We still have quite a bit to go, because we still have we need to get Yoongi's changing jacket, Jimin's and JK's changing jacket, and then all of the PCs, because I don't have any of the PCs, but I will get 2 of the Journey albums next week, and we'll see who I pull, and maybe on Saturday too, because I'm going to Target. I'm going out of town on Saturday to go get me some new shoes, so I'm going to try to convince my mom to take me to Target, and try to get 1 or 2 more Journey albums there to see who I pull, so I could try to get all of them, but we'll see. But this is so cute. He's so beautiful. I honestly thought this would be more like thick too, to be honest, but it's still really cute, and it's such great quality. I feel like doesn't look too bad on it like that. So thank you. Thank you. So you guys, I'm so sorry, but I forgot to I did not do an outro, I guess, for this, and it's already 30 minutes long. So I figured I'd keep the rest of the unboxing that I've done for a separate video. So if you guys enjoyed this unboxing and haul, don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to be notified when I upload a new video. Sayonara.